Hi everyone, welcome to Drone Diary, the channel where we talk about all things drone related. In today's video, we're going to discuss a serious issue that affects the drone industry and the national security of the United States: the threat of Chinese drones. You may have heard of the recent warning issued by the FBI and CISA, the agencies responsible for protecting the U.S. from cyber attacks and infrastructure sabotage. They have alerted the public and the private sector of the significant risk posed by Chinese drones to U.S. critical infrastructure. Why are Chinese drones a threat? Well, according to the FBI and CISA, the Chinese government has the legal authority to access data held by Chinese companies, including drone manufacturers. This means that any information collected by Chinese drones, such as images, videos, GPS coordinates, flight paths, and telemetry data, could potentially be sent to Beijing, exposing vulnerabilities in U.S. infrastructure. This is not a hypothetical scenario. In fact, a 2017 Department of Homeland Security assessment revealed how data from a DJI drone used by a California vineyard owner could assist Chinese companies in strategic land purchases. DJI is the largest drone maker in the world, and it dominates the U.S. market with almost 90% of the consumer market and over 70% of the industrial market. DJI has denied any wrongdoing and has claimed that its drones do not transmit data to China or anywhere else. However, the U.S. government is not convinced. In 2019, the CISA alert warned of the risks associated with Chinese-manufactured drones, and in 2020, the Department of Commerce added DJI to its blacklist of companies that pose a national security threat. The U.S. government is not alone in its concerns. Several experts and industry insiders have also voiced their opinions on the matter. For example, Brian Harrell, a former CISA official, said that the widespread use of Chinese drones by law enforcement and critical infrastructure operators is a clear and present danger. He also pointed out the trend of miniaturization in drone technology, which China has capitalized on. Smaller, cheaper, yet high-performance drones have become increasingly popular in various sectors, including infrastructure and public safety. However, the convenience and efficiency they bring also open doors for espionage and data exfiltration, he argued. So, what can we do to protect ourselves from the threat of Chinese drones? Well, there are a few options. One is to use drones that are made in the U.S. or in allied countries, such as the Blue U.S. drones that have been approved by the Department of Defense. These drones are designed to meet high standards of data security and reliability, and they are trusted by the U.S. military and government agencies. Another option is to use drones that have been certified by the FAA's New Trust program, which stands for the Recreational UAS Safety Test. This program aims to educate and test recreational drone pilots on the safety and ethical rules of flying drones. Drones that pass the TruMust test will have a unique identification number that can be verified by the FAA and other authorities. A third option is to use drones that have remote ID capabilities, which is a new requirement that will take effect in 2023. Remote ID is a system that allows drones to broadcast their identity, location, and operator information to other drones, authorities, and the public. This will enhance the accountability and transparency of drone operations and prevent unauthorized or malicious use of drones. As you can see, there are ways to mitigate the risk of Chinese drones, but we need to be aware and vigilant of the issue. Chinese drones are not just toys or tools. They are potential weapons that could compromise the U.S. security and sovereignty. We need to be smart and responsible when we choose and use our drones, and we need to support the efforts of the U.S. government and the drone industry to protect our interests and values. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drone news and reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.